Hi all. In today's video, we'll talk about the drill control element in Sigma. So basically, drill down is when you click through a chart to see the different hierarchy of data, and Sigma allows you to drill through any hierarchy of data. So let's begin. Let's open a workbook and I'll show you an example of this drill and then we'll create that. So basically in our last video you see that we have created this parameter and we have referenced this parameter into this matrix display, and now this is the matrix drill. So when I select month on this matrix drill, this matrix display is showing me the month wise matrix, and if you select realm, that it will show me realm wise. So you can see that this realm has no hierarchy with year, quarter and month. Still we can arrange it into a hierarchy and we can drill through this. So earlier we have created this parameter and this metric display. Now for the drill control, we'll click on this add element, and from the control element select the drill down. Now you can see the control element is drilled down. The value source will be the data table or the data set from which we have created this bar chart, because this drill is working on this bar chart. So the data source of this drill should be the data set from which we have created this bar chart. So I'll select the data set here. Now for the drill categories are the category that you want in this drill. So I'll select like realm, year, quarter and month. Now you need to give a name to this drill. So I'll give it a name like matrix drill. Now the target of this drill will be this bar chart. So add target matrix display, and what it does, so basically it maps its category to the columns of the data set. So basically it automatically mapped all the categories. If it does not map these, so you can like manually map them. Now I'll scroll it to be on the top. Now you can see if I select realm on this matrix drill, so it will directly affect this matrix display, and here you can see like the realm wise VDP. If you select year here, so it will show me the year wise VDP. So this is how this matrix drill works. So it is a very good feature of Sigma, that if the hierarchies are not relatable to each other, still you can drill through them. Like the realm is not related to year, quarter and months, still you can drill through across these. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.